The USAA Secured American Express card in 2025 is designed for military members, veterans, and their families who want to build or rebuild credit. Like other secured cards, it requires a refundable security deposit that also serves as the credit limit, with a minimum deposit of around $250. What makes this card unique is that the deposit is placed into a certificate of deposit CD account, allowing you to earn a small amount of interest on your money while you use the card. This is a rare feature compared to most secured cards, which simply hold your deposit without offering any returns. The card does not charge an annual fee, which helps keep costs low while you're improving your credit history. It also comes with a range of protections often found on unsecured cards, such as purchase protection, travel accident insurance, and zero liability for unauthorized charges. This makes it more useful than many other basic secured cards, which typically strip away extra benefits. One of the biggest concerns with this card in the past was the lack of a clear upgrade path. For many years, users reported that it was difficult or impossible to graduate from the secured card to an unsecured one, meaning the deposit could remain tied up indefinitely. However, recent changes mean USAA has started periodically reviewing accounts for potential upgrades, giving cardholders a chance to move to an unsecured line of credit and get their deposit back after demonstrating responsible use.